Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn about creating captions and subtitles inside Premiere. To get started within your project, you want to go to the bottom of the project panel and select New Item and Captions from the pop-up list. You will have several choices. CEA 608 and 708 is for closed captions, which is basically captions that you can turn on and off, with 708 being the newer version. Teletext is also closed captions, but is for PAL systems, so typically in the US you'll want to stick to CA, which is for the NTSC system. If you want to burn in captions that you cannot turn off, you'll want to select Open Captions, and make sure that your frame rate of the file matches the frame rate of the sequence that you're editing in. When you're all done, just hit OK, and drag the length of the captions over the length of the video. Don't worry, you'll be able to add individual caption blocks inside of the sequence. If you double-click into the panel, you see that you can edit the caption settings with many customization choices that you can explore on your own, like the font color as well as customizing a background layer for your captions. To start, simply type up your first caption to match your video.
But remember, we gotta ditch quick.
Then just drag it to match over whatever length of the video segment you want. You can also input the time code instead, but I find that dragging it is easier, especially if you can see the audio waves. To add more caption blocks, just hit Add Caption here, and then repeat for your second block, adding text and dragging the block over the second segment in the video. You can also delete any blocks with the minus button if you change your mind. After you are done creating all your captions, you might want to export your subtitles as a separate SRT file. Make sure to select your caption sequence on the project's panel. Then go to File, Export, Captions, and make sure that the file format is an SRT, and then hit OK to select where to export your file. Thanks for watching.